Hello everyone, I'm Kathleen Hansen and you found my Warmups with Kathleen YouTube channel. Sometimes we don't have a ton of time to warm up our voices, but we still want to do something, so we aren't starting from scratch. This set of warm-ups is just for that purpose. Check in with your alignment and your breathing for a moment, and let's sing on a zzz sound. We want a sustained and engaged sound, and we will sing on zzz. Here we go. I would recommend a lip trill or bubble for this next exercise. If that doesn't work for you, feel free to sing on a tongue trill or the letter V or through a straw. We can sing sing with an efficient sound, let's sing on nay, nay, nay. This can be a little bit brighter than your finished sound. We can sing on nay, 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 nay. Here we go. Nay, 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 nay. 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 Staying with the idea of an efficient sound, let's move from an occluded to an E vowel. We can sing Moving now to a rounder vowel, let's sing on Z-O, like Z-O, U, 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 U. Here we go. Z-O, U, 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 U. Z-O, U, 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 U. some free-form sirens and glides. Do whatever feels good to you. Finally, let's jump into a little bit of range work. Make sure that the air remains steady. We will sing on V-A, V-A. Here we go. V-A, V-A, and a big sigh down to vocal fry. I hope you enjoyed this super speedy warm-up. If you did, give it a like and share with a friend. If you want to be alerted every time I publish a video, make sure to subscribe and hit that little bell icon on your screen. I'll see you next time.